So, we are day 2 of dolling up this old Ford Bullnose. I got my mic fixed, but it is incredibly windy today. So, we'll still probably have some wind noise. I had my wife stain all these boards for the bed that we're going to be putting in. I'm going to get to cutting out all this old rotten wood, cut off all these old screws and bolts, and then we are going to get the new bed in. And then I also got some extra boards for some side rails. Just to go up a little bit, say yay high, and something that we can just pop out real quick if we want to. I had them on my Power Wagon and I liked them, and I kind of miss having some stake pocket boards. That truck actually has the camper on it now, so anyway, I'm going to get to cutting with this Sawzall, and we should have this thing in no time. Officially got everything out off this bed. Now I'm gonna fire up the air compressor, and we're gonna blow all this trash out of here. I did get a new fuel sending unit to put in because our gas gauge isn't working, so we're gonna put that in while we're under here. I got a new filler neck hose, and I don't know if my new shocks came in, but I can put those in later. It doesn't have to be done now. It'd be kind of cool to do all that at once while I'm under here, but make it easier. But let's at least get that fuel sender in there. That way we don't have to drop the tank. Oh, I need my pliers that I've been asking for.
Well, I don't know what to do with them.
I need them.
Ooh, that stinks.
Oh, I wonder why it don't work. The float's missing.
Where is it?
It's in there. This is what the float looks like. It's like a pontoon. It's like a little mini pontoon, and it floats.
Yeah, I know.
So that's why that doesn't work. All right, so I got lucky. I found some fuel hose. All right.
Do you smell that smell?
Ooh, that's...
No, for real. Do you smell like the aroma of like the honeysuckles or whatever?
No, I smell fuel.
No, I'm getting a whiff of like
I literally
The
smell
spring flowers.
87 octane. That's all I smell.
It's coming from somewhere.
I don't know. Definitely not the back of this truck.
Yeah, it stinks.
That's on. We are going to have a fuel gauge. That's pretty cool. And a sock to actually clean it out. Oh, crap. I need to put my seal on real quick. Hold on.
Did you get the other one out of there?
What?
Wasn't the
float?
floater inside there?
The floater?
Oh, the float.
The float's in there. It's just in a tank.
The floater.
You're not going to get that out.
You're gonna leave it in there?
What am I supposed to do? Seriously. Huh?
Get it out.
No.
Stick your hand in there and get it out.
No.
My hand could probably fit in there.
You're crazy.
I'm just kidding. My hand cannot fit in that little baby hole.
Hopefully, this said it was the right one, but there was quite a few different options for these trucks. This is the 16-gallon tank. So, that's what this one is. This better work. Hopefully your ohm rating, the ohm rating is correct to actually read on the gauge correctly. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, well that, so far, is good. Okay, that's sitting in there, orientated properly. So now we need to cut this like so. Man, see where all those leaves and dirt were sitting underneath that toolbox forever? Rotted out this front panel.
Yeah.
Where was that other? Did I drop it?
What are you looking for?
It's a little gold.
It's right there.
Oh, goodness gracious. Couldn't see that.
Now that song stuck in my head.
No, I can't. Installed. Alright. Now we just need to get the keys, turn it on, and see if it moves. Alright. Moment of truth. Do we have a fuel gauge? Yes. That's exciting. After I saw that float, I knew that had to be what it was. And it has a... Uh-oh. Okay, it has a half a tank. That's right. Cool.
Can't
Half
see.
a tank. Huh?
Can't see. Oh.
Right there. Alright. On to getting the wood back on. I am going to leave one section open. I'm going to start working right to left because I'm going to leave this side open for that fuel filler hose when it shows up tomorrow.
The before?
Huh?
I said the before.
Yes.
There's no floor.
Before there's no floor.
Here's the wood that I stained earlier. It's gonna look good.
Hey, will you grab that WD-40 in that? There's a rag. All right. We have been dealing with high winds, so bear with me. I do have my mic. It is working now, but it is very windy today. 30, 40 mile an hour wind gusts. All right. So we got the bed finally done. It actually took me way longer just because there were storms and rain and whatnot. We put the side rails on, and this is what the bed looks like. So one board was warped. We already had stained it before it was noticed, but new bed looks good. I'm happy with it. Way better than the rotten wood that was in it before. So we did get all the new brake lines in there, front and back. Got new shocks. Got the new sender in under there, and then new brake lines and shocks up here. But we are about to go estate sailing. There's a farm auction, well, a farm estate sale, actually just north of where I got this truck. So we are gonna go up there and see what we can get into. Well, guys, we didn't expect to find some good stuff at this estate sale. We're out on this farm right now. We brought the Bullnose out here just thinking we would find something in the house that was kind of cool, maybe some stuff in the barn. Well, we ended up getting a bunch of tin. So yeah, there's still quite a bit, but we got a ton of tin, and let me show you what we did. All right. Yeah, we have a candidate for overloaded. Should have brought a trailer, but I'm too far away. And we got all of this super cheap. So, tons of tin. I can't pass this stuff up. It's hard to come by cheap. So, we'll see what this poor truck can do. Just get it running and we're already loading it down to the max. Thank God we fixed the brakes.